Mental capacity is an issue that comes up all the time, and there's no bright line of when somebody does or doesn't have capacity. And that's true for a couple of reasons. One is that dementia is not an on and off switch. There's mild cognitive impairment, there's mild dementia, there's moderate dementia, there's severe dementia, and we've all had parents that have developed dementia of some type or another. And there are people who have good days and bad days, good hours and bad hours, and the law says that no matter what your overall condition is, if at the time that you signed this document you understood it, then that's good. It's a good document. So the question, how do we prove whether someone has testamentary capacity? In other words, whether their mental condition was such that they understood what they were doing when they signed the document. There's a lot that goes into it, and this is one of the reasons that these cases are so expensive to prepare and prosecute. First of all, we get all their medical records, and we get expert opinions from doctors. But also, we talk to and take deposition testimony from everyone who had contact with them during the relevant period of time. Not just family members, but caregivers, friends, neighbors. If they went to an attorney, that attorney is going to be important because usually that attorney is sensitive to this issue of capacity. People at their church and people that they shared hobbies with, whatever. And it's very typical to take 10 to 20 depositions in a case like this to really get the complete picture, not just what was their capacity when they went in the hospital because they'd had a stroke. Obviously, they were in a bad situation physically, and it usually reflects mentally too, but then they bounce back often. So we have to try to get the whole picture and try to determine whether this was a progressive decline or whether it was a good days, bad days situation, and whether what they're doing is consistent with previously expressed intentions as well. For more information, call me at 510-463-3170 or visit my website at triaylaw.com.